Hey small business owners, today's quick tip is to help you get more reviews on Google My Business. Now, a lot of people used to rely on Yelp, but nowadays Google My Business is really the go-to place for reviews. So really quick, I wanted to show you how to ask for reviews with a quick, easy link that will make an automatic pop-up for people to leave you a review so they don't have to do so much work and they might actually complete it when you ask. So when you log into Google My Business, you'll click on your business name and then it'll take you to this home tab where you've got all these cards with different actions you can do. Find the one that says get your first review or get more reviews and find this button that says share review form. Now click on it and it will come up with an option to give a link to review your business on Google. Now you can click this little pencil button and create a short name. If your business name is already taken by someone else, you can add something like CA to prove that or show that you're in California, but mine appears to be available, so I'm going to click apply. And now you'll see this pop up here with the custom name and review code. So then you'll copy this code. And just for a quick example, we'll go to this page and you'll see that it'll now automatically give this pop-up window when you send someone that link and they click on it. Makes it really easy for them to leave your review. I recommend sending this whenever anybody gives you a compliment or says thank you so much for your help. Hurry and just send them this link and say thank you so much. The best compliment you can give me is a 5-star review on Google. If you could leave me 1 to 3 sentences, that would be great. And thank them again and send them this link, and they will more than likely, if they're still grateful and have 30 seconds, click that link and complete this for you because everyone wants to pass on a compliment and a favor. So let me know if you have any questions, and here's your quick tip for today. Thanks.